What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here with the Eachine Tyro99, and this time I have an R-Line Tattoo 1300 milliamp hour 5S battery. So 5S, we're going to test it out with 5S. And first I want to talk about this a little bit. Now, my last video that I had, the OSD wasn't showing up, and I figured out that that was because I switched the OSD setting from auto over to NTSC, and it seems that this is a PAL cam, or at least this cam is set to PAL. I don't know how to change the settings from PAL back over to what we use over here in the US. So I switched it back to PAL, and now everything is showing up correctly now again. And so what else? Oh yeah, I haven't been seeing anybody from any of the other reviews or anything using this bottom plate here. And it comes with a battery grip pad here that you can stick on it. And it came with two other foam pads, but I just opted to use this rubberized grip here. And that holds the battery and keeps it from sliding, and at the same time it stops the battery from being damaged by these screws here. So I didn't see anybody address that. Everybody's using it without the bottom plate. I don't know why, but anyhow, the bottom plate comes with two little slits on it where you can slide the battery strap through and protect your battery. So let's see, what else? Oh, I was saying that I was gonna add a buzzer to this, but I decided not to add a buzzer because you can use D-Shot commands, and everything was already set up. All you had to do is set up the modes and set up your mode for buzzer as if you had a buzzer in there. But what you do is, in the configuration screen, there's an option now that you can control the D-Shot commands, and you can just make them react whenever the buzzer switch is activated. And so it also starts to beep on loss of reception. And so now I'm not going to get a buzzer. No need to take this thing apart at all. I gave myself a little more camera angle there because I imagine this 5S, I'm going to be trying to see how fast it goes in FPV, and I need that camera tilt to sort of like gauge how fast it's going or have an idea. And what else? I think that's just about it. I'm running DSMX on this. I ran my antennas through the side and out here like I did my first build. On the RC Ag frame, I did the same thing with my antennas here using DSMX. And I'm flying it with the Devo 8S. So let's get this thing in the air. So it does at least take off on 5S. Let's do a punch out. Yeah, it's fast. I'm liking it. A nice adrenaline rush. Go ahead, butterfly. Butterfly trying to fly near. Couple power loops. Okay, let's see if we can land this thing in the grass and then take off and do some FPV. Hopefully the grass isn't too tall. See. And this camera is horrible. Very grainy. So really fast. So really nice control. I think it'll be a little tighter on a turn if I had a better set of props on here. Not used to flying with so much camera tilt here. I think I tilted a little too far with the camera there. And the battery is very low. And that's what happens when you don't have a buzzer. So let's go over and get it. So I think I might have killed the battery. Hopefully I didn't. See if we can get the D-Shot commands going. Yep. So D-Shot commands working. And the grass is wet. So let me unplug it. First, let's see if we can gauge how much power. Man, it's all the way down to 9 point something volts. So I think this battery might be done, guys. It isn't puffing. Maybe I'll try to speed home and get this thing on the charger again, see if we can get it back up. But anyhow, that's a quick test flight of this Eachine Tyro99 on 5S. Thanks for watching.